Hello, welcome back to All Things Shazzy. In this video, I am going to be showing you how I made these delicious cinnamon roll bites. These are definitely bite-sized, but I made them from a can of biscuits. Alright, so don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so that you get a notification when I post a new video. So I did make these for my kids for breakfast, and they had them to go. They had to go. I did make some bacon first because, I don't know, one of them asked for bacon, so I just made bacon for everybody. Alright, so I just went ahead and fried our turkey bacon on my little grill frying pan, which always works out pepper for me. Put them on some paper towels to dry, and I'm going to get started with the cinnamon rolls, okay? Alright, so you're going to take each biscuit and you're going to cut it up. I first started to cut it into four, but then I'm like, okay, these can be cut up a little bit smaller. So I cut the second half into three different pieces. Okay, so once I pop these out the oven, you gonna see at the end, they definitely gave me monkey bread vibes. Like, you know how you pull the monkey bread apart to eat it, and it's so delicious. Okay, so then I have some melted butter here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dip the little biscuit dough bites into the butter. And then I have some cinnamon and sugar mixture, some brown sugar and cinnamon. I did eyeball this, so I don't know how much I put in the bowl. I just eyeballed it. It smelled good. It smelled like cinnamon rolls, so hey, I'm gonna roll with it. All right, so I'm gonna put more here this time because that one was just too much. So you just cover them to wet them up, and then you put them in the sugar cinnamon mixture, and you roll it around until you cover that well, and then drop them into the pan. Okay, so I'm adding them all into my baking slash pan. Alright, and so I'm just adding them all here to cook. Some of them is overlapping because I cut up probably way too many. No, whatever. They're gonna be perfect. They'll watch, okay? Alright, so I'm just adding them all into this pan. I did grease the pan with some butter slash cooking spray. And then I am going to go ahead and the extra melted butter that I have, I am just gonna pour that on top. And then I had some more crumble slash cinnamon sugar mixture. And then I would just like dump all that on top and just spread it out as well. And then hop it or pop it, or should we hop it? Nope, we're gonna pop it into the oven at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, so while those babies are in the oven, I have some melted butter here. I did use a half a stick of melted butter, and I have 1 whole cup of powdered sugar. The powdered sugar, of course, is already sifted. And then I'm adding in a tablespoon of heavy cream. Okay, you can use coffee cream or you can use milk, whatever you want. And I'll also add in a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, but of course I use cooking nib. But you can use vanilla flavoring as well. And I just use my little spatula spoon here to go ahead and mix that all the way up. And you just want to keep mixing as it is going to be a little thick. You want it to be thick. If you want it thinner, hey, that's up to you. Just add a little bit more liquid. Alright, so these babies are done. They did cook for 20 minutes to be honest total. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and pour that icing mixture that we just made all over the cinnamon roll biscuit bites. And y'all, these smell so good. The whole house smells like cinnamon rolls right now. Alright, so once it's settled, I am going to go ahead and package them up. Just to make some little to-go trays for my children as they go to school. And of course, we pack toothbrushes and toothpicks and mouthwash as well. Okay? And here they are. So they each got some bacon and a couple of cinnamon bites to go ahead and fill them up. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you happen to make these, let me know. Leave a comment below and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend. See you next time. Bye.